Have you ever wanted to do a parasite cleanse, but you're not really sure where to start, what to do, or how to even go about it? I'm going to walk you through some of the steps that I think you should do first when you're getting started. And routinely cleansing for parasites is a great way to help support your body, your overall health, and to get rid of some of those critters that may be hanging out in your body. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. We all have parasites. First things first is write down your symptoms. If you're struggling with a lot of different things and a lot of different symptoms, I want you to write all of those down. Go through the severity, 0 to 10, 10 being the worst, like how severe is that symptom right now? This will help you put things into perspective while you're cleansing and after your cleanse to see some of the progress that you've made. Step 2, you cannot do a parasite cleanse without opening your drainage pathways. And so what that means is if you're not routinely sweating, if you're not pooping every day, if you're not hydrating enough, and if you're not breathing properly, these things can all impact your parasite cleanse and also cause more Herxheimer reactions, which are those die-off symptoms. Parasites like to hang on to things like heavy metals, mold, and other toxins. While we're killing them off, all of those things get released into our body and can cause Herxheimer reactions or die-off symptoms. This could include things like headache, nausea, vomiting, fever, chills. While any cleanse, you want to have a binder on board to attach to some of those toxins and prevent some of those symptoms. But if your drainage pathways aren't open, those symptoms are going to be way worse. You want to make sure you're giving your body overall support. So you want to make sure that you're eating a well-rounded whole foods diet, drinking enough water each day, and moving your body, which kind of goes along with opening your drainage pathways. You want to make sure that you're getting in enough fiber each day and water just so you can make sure that you're pooping every day, because if you're not pooping, you're not detoxing. If you want to learn a little bit more about parasite cleansing, head over to my bio and grab my free guide that goes over all of these details that I just went into and a little bit more. And let me know what parasite questions you have.